So here's how we can add apps to the share menu on the iPad. Let me explain that. And if you are new here, most definitely subscribe for more tutorials and videos like this one. So for example, you might go to the Files app and hold down on any individual file. And when you click on share, you will most definitely see some of the apps which are being suggested to you. However, when you scroll through the whole list, you can tap on more and actually notice that there are much more apps which you can actually share the file with, right? So it would make sense to either click on it right here, which is part of the suggestions menu, but you can also tap on edit and click on the plus button from all of the available apps and add them to be part of the main sharing page. So I would pick any of these apps right here and click the green button, or I can even remove some of them from the favorites, meaning that the apps which are currently part of the favorites or show up at first, I don't want to keep them there, and I'm going to replace it with some other app. And as well, some apps also have a green toggle, so you can also hide it completely from the sharing. So if you need them, you can enable it and hit the green plus to add it to the favorites, and that's how you can make sure that they always show up to be the first thing when you go to the sharing page. Also, you can see that I get some suggestions for people and some other apps, and you can manage that inside of the settings when you go to the Siri section, which might be the Apple Intelligence and Siri or whatever, and there is a little suggestions menu. And you can see that there is a toggle showing or saying show when sharing, and that means that these are the suggestions which show up when I click on share. And if you don't want them, you can turn it off or at least give it a try, play with it and see if you like it with this or without it. And yeah, that's another thing which you might be interested in. So let me know what you think below. Subscribe for more explanations and tutorials similar to this one, and I hope to see you later in the next videos as well.